I've had countless meetings with clients who've looked at me and said, listen, I'd love to get absolute top dollar for this property, but they knew it's just not in the condition to do so. Well, I'm going to tell you about an amazing product we've got to help this property right behind me make my clients an additional $200,000 with no upfront costs to my seller. Hey, JC Agajanian, broker associate with the Whissel Realty Group, sharing with you how we can help our clients' homes turn from a kitchen like this
and turn it into this beautiful contemporary new kitchen that you see right here. We went with the white shaker that you've seen tons of times, but we gave it a pop of color with the brass pulls and knobs. We had a nice neutral granite that we brought in with a waterfall edge. We actually had no gas in this kitchen before. So what we did is we flopped the floor plan, ran gas over here and dropped in a full 36-inch 6-burner, which is just beautiful. The whole thing came out great, and it's super modern, super contemporary, fitting for a home of this caliber. This beautiful new kitchen is just the beginning though. We had what I can only describe as a 70s funhouse mirrored room here for a dining room. There was actually a wall here. It had hidden cabinetry space, and in front of it was brass clad mirrored sliders, just enclosing this dining room, making it feel small and dark. You know we had to blow it out. This wall is gone now, and we've opened the flow from your kitchen through your living room, through your dining room, into your living room, where we've now got what feels like twice the space, because we had an old 70s sunken living room right here, and we turned it into this beautiful new space that is a perfect flow into the rest of the home. We reclad the fireplace with this beautiful marble tile, and now there's no step down, there's no difference. It actually flows perfectly from all the way in the beginning of the home, straight through all your spaces, kitchen, dining, living, right out to your backyard and your outdoor living space. You'll notice we got rid of the ugly carpeted stairway that we had before, replaced it with open treads, beautiful solid wood, stained, bringing in all that natural light from this wall of glass to our east. And of course, we have to take a moment and appreciate the beautiful views of the boats, docks, and water right in front of us. Upstairs, as we move into the primary suite, you may remember we did have some issues that needed some attention in a major way.
But if you find yourself with a skylight you didn't plan for, maybe you didn't realize the termites are kind of getting away from you.
Of course, you know we had to address that ceiling damage that we had, the impromptu skylight. And of course, we had to address the wall of termite damage that we had as well. We got rid of all that, but we did so much more. We completely changed the footprint of this primary suite. We have now created space that frankly didn't exist before. This was just a 25-foot ceiling for that 70s sunken living space down below. Now we've got a beautiful space that you can use for an office, you can use for a nursery if you need it. You can use it for a sitting room and a little TV space inside your bedroom. The options are endless, but what you've got is space. So we'll move from there into our primary bathroom, and we had some pretty cutting edge technology for the time that the home was built.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to call you right back. Look at this bathroom. Look what it turned into.
As you can see, this is not even close to the same as it used to be. This place is screaming contemporary, fresh, modern, and new. And we've taken it out of the 70s and brought it straight into the 21st century. Again, with the matching cabinetry, pulls, knobs, and accents that you saw downstairs. We've got a great walk-in shower and even more closet space over here to supplement your walk-in right over there. Moving from the primary suite through the hallway, we have to take a moment and appreciate these views once again. And then we come across our auxiliary bedrooms that of course got full remodels with carpet paint, baseboards, ceiling fans, the whole nine. And then we move into the hall bath where
Maybe somebody got a little carried away with the wallpaper.
of course, this hall bath needed a lot of attention. You know that we got rid of all that green wallpaper and brought it into the 21st century. It came out beautifully, just like the rest of the home. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video today. I hope you really enjoyed this fantastic transformation that took place here in the Coronado case. Just a quick reminder, we did this entire project at no out-of-pocket cost for our seller.
and they're going to net nearly $200,000 additional from the project being completed as opposed to selling as is. We know that real estate sales is not a one-size-fits-all, and we've got multiple different solutions regardless of what scenario you're running into. So whatever you've got in mind, feel free to give me a ring, and I'm sure we've got a perfect situation just right for you. I look forward to talking to you soon.